Alright, so I got some of the leftover rubber material that we used for putting the floors of this container. I'm just gonna cut a piece to nail it on my planting table to protect the wood. It's water resistant, so it should protect the table for a long time. Putting this soil bin holder together, it's like a very simple frame that this soil bin is gonna sit inside. Okay, well that wraps up the last week of 2018. I'm super happy with the way how things turned out in this Microgreens container, and we're fully ready for the 2019 season's production, starting with Microgreens, and I'm excited to actually get on the field and prepare the beds for our caterpillar tunnels to install, and so many more things to come. Wishing you all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you next year.